Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to fully remove the headrest on a Ford C-Max MK2. Just want to add, we are talking about the rear headrest. One of them has a button, so this you can do whatever you want to it, but the other one, there's nothing all around. For the front headrest, there will be a separate video. It has a tiny button on the side. Basically, what I've seen many do is just pop up this plastic, force it out, and then there's a spring in there that latches into a cut in this. I will link a video in the description that shows that method, but I'm thinking I might try something different and prevent that for latching. And I cut this from this Bedford badge to add insult to injury, and I just want to, let me push this, it locked, so we do not want it to be locked. We need to, actually no, yeah, it goes down even, or does it go down? This one still moves, maybe you can see it, but let me just lower it a tiny bit. Okay, and squeeze this. I will try on more than one side and see in which one of the sides we have that spring. I'm on the right side of the car as we are looking to see where the spring is, but I'm going to try and pull with my hand to spread this a bit outwards so this slides in easier. Haha, I'm smarter than your average snail. So I've pushed this in here because we had a bigger gap. This is, as you can see, still fully sliding. It's not locked in place. It's very important for it to not be locked in place. If it's already locked, you cannot do what I'm showing here. So this is still fully sliding, and rotate this until you feel a little bit of tension. So we are keeping the spring spread out. And now, if you push higher, it's locking, but it's locking because of this. Press that one and continue to push. And voila! And we stopped the spring from latching into this one by just putting a piece of sheet in front of it. A piece of sheet metal. And yes, at this point just pull on it until it comes out. And we are done with it. It just has a single lock and on that side, and yeah, it has one on the other side, but on the other side we are able to control it like this. On this side, you see it right there. We are basically putting this metal between that spring and the metal shaft to keep this hole covered so the spring cannot latch into it, and we're done. And if you're wondering why I do this, my daughter's, the eldest one, seat will not properly fit in here with the headrest even in the highest position. It still bumps into it. So this needs to come out. I will do the same on the other side and keep this in a safe place, so if I take the seats out, I can install this back instantly, because you cannot have someone sit in the back without the headrest, unless he or she is in a child seat, obviously. And if you want to copy my design, this is how it looks like. Just a piece of metal and a little bit curved in the shape of that metal shaft. And it's aluminium, so it can bend easily in there. And as you can see, now there's plenty of room for the headrest integrated in the child seat, because otherwise it wouldn't be. So that's about it. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.